Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to use LTI Deep Linking in Brightspace so you can seamlessly integrate your mentors. The first thing we're going to do is, as an admin, go to the Manage Extensibility section. Once you're here, you'll click on this LTI Advantage tab, and you'll be able to either add a new tool or you can use a current tool and just have it updated. In this case, I want to show you how to update one. None of this main configuration here is going to change on this registration piece. So all of this that you're seeing here will remain the same parameters and whatnot. But the one thing you're going to need to do is enable deep linking under the extension settings. We already have this marked off, so that's great. And then what we'll do next is go to the deployments. Now that we're under the deployments, we're going to use this one that's already been set up. And you can see basically nothing here needs to change. This deep linking should already marked off, but if it's not, just make sure it is. And you can change the settings here for sending information back over to us or leave it as is, no worries there. Really the only thing you need to do on this page in the deployments page or the tool page is actually make sure that deep linking is defined. Now, once we're here, what we'll do is go to links. You can see that there are a few in here already. We'll be using this deep linking one. When you click in here, you'll see that this URL is actually different than that target link URI that you've been seeing. Instead, we're actually using this deep linking launch, which is actually going to allow you to select from different mentors to integrate into your courses. You can also change the settings here in terms of height and width. And for the type here, it's when you're adding this new deep linking in, it'll give you a couple of different options. You'll want to make sure it's the quick link one. This will allow you to select content. All right, and then after that, you'll just hit save and close, and then the next thing we'll do is go to a course. Now we'll select a course that we want to integrate a mentor into. Once we're in the course content, what we'll do is you see that there's already a unit created, so we don't have to worry about that. What we'll do instead is hit add existing, and you'll see that these instead of clicking external tool, you'll see that there is actually a deep linking option to select from rather than using the standard external tool. So what you will do now is click deep linking one, which is the one that we were just looking at. And you'll see that it'll pop up a box that'll show you exactly which content you can select from. In this case, it's going to pull from the tenant that you're using. In this case, it could be one campus, Alfred State, or another at Cortland or something like that. So it'll be segmented based on the tenant that you want to integrate a mentor from. And you can see that there's two here. It'll give you a display name, so it's very clear what the mentor is actually called, and it just helps with the easy selection. So in this case, I'm going to do Brightspace 1, select content. And then once we're here, we're ready to launch. There you go. Simple as that.